G'day, my name's Pete and today I'm going to be working on this jade tree. This tree I worked on 6 months ago. So at the moment this tree is 19 years 6 months old, and I'm just going to give it a little old haircut because we've got a few pieces that are a little bit on the long side, such as this and a few others, and yeah, we'll just give them a little bit of a trim. Keep the thing looking nice. Actually, that whole thing needs to be trimmed right back. Okay, so that's all I'm doing for now. We'll see how it looks after a while. Gravity will take that down. Hopefully that, I'm trying to get a nice little, I want to get a big cloud of growth here, big bubble, and see how that works. And yeah, I think we're okay where we're at there. This is, I don't know if that's going to stay, but I'm looking at it like a little cloud of growth there as well. We'll see. This one here, not so sure about. It sort of fills in this gap. So we'll just wait and see. And I'm not sure about the front. This is the front, I believe. It's more open here. But this would be a nicer front because of the way the roots are coming out and it's going up. I think it would probably be a nicer front. Over time, it may end up being. But because that's more open, I think that's probably the right choice for now. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.